Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Tralalero Tralala from Brainrot. It's going to be an easy and quick drawing, so come join us. Alright everyone, let's get started with Tralalero Tralala. So silly. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw the body. Instead of a vertical paper, we're going to go horizontal. And we're going to draw the shark. So I'm going to start with the nose, and I'm going to make a curve that looks like the letter C, just the long one. There we have the nose, the start of the nose, and then we could do the top of the body. So the top of the body is going to go up like a mountain, and it's going to drop back down. So, like I said, up like a mountain, back down. Then we could do where the tail is going to be, just so it makes it easier. If I copy this where I stopped, I'm going to come down and I'm going to make a point. And then this way would be the tail. The tail is going to be a curve that goes out to the right to a point. And we're going to come back in with a curve. So we're going to curve this way like this. That's the top portion of the tail. And the bottom is going to be the same thing, just the opposite way. So we went out to a point, and then we're going to return in with a curve to this point that we made. And there we have the tail, and then we could do the bottom part of the body, but right here I'm gonna switch to a pencil because we're gonna erase some parts. So for the bottom of the body, I'm gonna dip down really low and then curve up with a line. So there we have the bottom of the body, down low, up to the tail. From here we could draw the rest of the details of the shark. So for the shark, from the tail to his nose, we're going to make a line that dips down and then it goes back normal to a horizontal line. So here I am. I'm going to dip down just a little bit and I'm going to come up just as if I was making a horizontal line. It would be a two-tone shark. We're going to have one color here, and then we could do the details like a regular shark, which are going to be like his eyes, his mouth, his nose, and his gills. So for his nose, I'm going to draw an oval towards the side of his nose. I'm going to draw a long oval, and then I'll draw one right next to it, leaving some space in the middle. Those are his nostrils. And then from here, we could draw his mouth. So from this bottom of his body, we're going to make a curve that goes up to like a hook. There we have his mouth, very serious. And then right above the nostril, we're going to come over to the right a little bit and we're going to make a circle for the eye. And then we'll draw a smaller circle towards the top of the right. There we have his eye, because the other eye is on the other side of the body. And then we could do the eyebrow, which is right above the eye, which is a curve like a rainbow. Then we could do the details like his gills. So right where his mouth ended, we're gonna come over and we're gonna make a curve like this. I'm gonna do two more. The one in the middle is just gonna be a little smaller, and then the final one is like the first one. So there we have his gills. We could do the rest of the details. So it's like another fin. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up to a point with a curve and then return back to the body. It's almost like his shark fin, like his top of his fin. And we're gonna do the same design on the bottom. So we're gonna just go the opposite way. And then we'll do the major one. So we're just gonna curve out to the right and then return from this point with a curve to the body. So there we have our shark. We could do one more. We're gonna leave some space in the middle and we're just gonna do a triangle right here. Cool. Now let's make it Tralalero Tralala and do some legs, some human legs, which is so crazy. But what we're gonna do is right next to the gill, we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow, and then we're gonna continue this line going down like a slide. We're gonna do the same thing from this point, and we're gonna go past his body and continue his leg. We're just gonna go a little skinnier. I stop my lines at the same point, and then from here, what we could do is a little higher from the leg, we're gonna draw an oval on its side, just like this, that's attached to the foot, and we could draw the shoe. So we're gonna copy this same design for his other two legs. And what we're gonna do is, from this side, from the right side, we're gonna draw a vertical line, just like that. From the left side, we're gonna draw a curve like a slide. And then from this vertical line, we're gonna draw one diagonal line. And to close off the shoe, we're gonna make a curve like the letter C. So there we have one shoe. We could do the details of the shoe. So the bottom sole of the shoe, we're gonna copy this diagonal line. And then we're gonna curve to the toe just a little bit, just like that. He has laces on his shoe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a diagonal line right here. And then we're gonna make a little frown that's connected to the top of his shoe. And we could do his laces, which we're gonna do 2 lines in the middle, like the frown. Just like this. Now we have laces, and they're like Nikes. He has like a little check mark in it. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna make a check mark like that, and then I'm just gonna make it 3D. So I'm gonna copy that same design and just make it thicker. There we have one of his feet with his shoe. Then we could do his back foot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a diagonal line that goes down to the right, and one more, leaving space in the middle, stop it at the same height. We'll make the oval to the outline of the shoe, vertical line, slide on the left, diagonal line, and a C. And then we'll do the details inside. And then we'll do one more leg right on the front side of his body, or where like his face is. So this leg, instead of curving to the right, we're gonna curve to the left a little bit. And then we'll make the shoe. And there we have it, guys. Super easy. There we have Tralalero Tralala. Let's outline him. So what we're not gonna do is this little horizontal line here and this one right here, we're not gonna trace that part. We're gonna erase that. So let's just do his leg first, and then we could erase that. So we're gonna erase these parts. And then pretty much everything else we're gonna highlight. And there we have Tralalero Tralala. Such a funny name. But now we get to do the fun part, which is color him in. So let's grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils we have, and let's color him in. Stay tuned to see the final product. All right, everyone, and here we have Tralalero Tralala from Brainrot. I think he looks super cool. I love his blue sneakers. We left a little check mark white, and there he is. It's just a shark with legs and shoes. Super cool idea. But hopefully you guys found this drawing easy. Hopefully you guys found it fun. Please stay tuned for more Brainrot characters that we're gonna draw. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.